you look nice?
Nice pajamas you have on.
Nice pajamas, a nice hairdo.
Mm-hmm.
And look at her nice toy. She's got a dog, a teddy bear.
A dog.
Ada, can you tell us the names of your friends?
Wow, you got a lot of friends.
And
Puppy.
Puppy bunny.
Puppy bunny.
who is this guy again? Who is this? What's his name? Bear.
Big Bear?
Big Bear.
Big Bear?
Oh, Big Bear.
I like Big Bear. I'm going to hold
Wait,
Big
who's
Bear.
this? Who's this? Who's this?
Puppy bunny.
Puppy
And who's
bunny.
this? Puppy dog?
Dog.
Who's this? There, Grandma.
Thank you. I've got Puppy Bunny. I'm going to hold Puppy Bunny. I love Puppy Bunny. He is so cute.
Can you show Grandma how Puppy Dog makes music?
Oh, really? Puppy Dog makes music? Or
Right,
this
Puppy
one?
Dog.
This one.
Can you show her? Cool.
Sure.
No, you're not into it, huh?
Oh, would you like this one?